हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे इंग्लिश रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस। एक स्टोरी के साथ मैं आपको इंग्लिश रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगा। द मंकी एंड द जुगलर। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें और वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक ज़रूर देखें। जितना ज़्यादा आप लिसनिंग करोगे इंग्लिश को, उतना ही प्रोनाउंसिएशन में इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगा और आप कोई भी बुक लेके लाउडली रीडिंग कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश की, जिससे आपकी टंग में इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगा और वर्ड्स क्लियरिटी के साथ आप बोल पाओगे, जिससे आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। तो वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक ज़रूर देखें आप। दिस शॉर्ट स्टोरी द मंकी एंड द जुगलर is quite interesting to all the people enjoy reading this story. In a mango orchard outside a village, there lived a mischievous monkey. The whole day he would jump from one tree to another. Thus, the monkey kept on eating the ripe mangoes. The orchard keeper tried to trap the monkey, but every time the monkey escaped the trap. One day the monkey wandered out the nearby town. The town people are so busy. There is so much crowd here. The monkey thought. Soon the monkey was snacking into houses and running away with stable. By evening, he had made life difficult for the town people. The town is more fun than the orchard. I will live here, he thought. Days went by. The monkey was looked upon by the town people with terror. Here he comes again, they screamed when they saw the monkey. One day a juggler came to the town. The people of the town approached him. He went, you to help us get rid of that mischievous monkey, they said to the juggler. The juggler said is written, do not worry, get me some jars with narrow necks. When the jars of the size were brought to him, he put peanuts into the jars and placed them out on a field. The monkey became curious when he saw the jars. When he went and peeped inside the jars, he saw peanuts yummy. Let me quickly grab the peanuts and run, he thought. He put his hand inside the jar and grabbed a big handful. But he could not pull out his clenched fist, as the neck of the jar was so narrow. If the monkey dropped some peanuts back into the jar, he could have pulled his hand out. But he was greedy, so he did not drop some peanuts into the jar. The town people trapped the monkey with his hand inside the jar. They got hold on the rope and tied him in a post. Then the monkey was sold to a zoo. That was the end of Greedy Monkey. Next story. This story showed the palace and hut is quite interesting to all the people. Enjoy reading this story. King Vikramaditya was known for his justice and kindness. Even God sought his help in setting issue. In this kingdom, no more was unhappy. His people loved him and were proud of him. Once the Vikramaditya decided to build a palace on the river bank. He ordered his minister to survey the site and start the work. The laborers were put to work and in a few days the palace was ready. Before bringing the king to show the palace, the minister decided to take a final look. Splendid, the minister exclaimed, looking at the palace. Then suddenly his eyes fell on something and he shouted, "What is that? I did not see that before." All the laborers and the soldiers turned around. There was a hut just few steps away from the palace gate. "What is hut doing here?" shouted the minister and added, "And whom does it belong to?" "Sir, it belongs to an old woman. She has been living here for a long time," replied a soldier. The minister walked up to the hut and spoke to old lady. "I want to buy your hut." Asked for anything, he said, "I am sorry, sir, I cannot accept your offer. My hut is dear to me than my life. I have lived in it with my late husband and I want to die in it," the old lady said. The minister tried to tell her that her hut would spoil the charm of the newly constructed palace. But the old lady was strong in her stance and she was ready to face any conscience and any punishment. She refused to sell her hut to the king. The matter was then taken to the king. The wise and generous king thought for a while and then said, "Let the old lady have her hut where it is. It will only add to the beauty of the new palace." Then, turning to the minister, the king said, "Let us not forget that what seems ugly to us may be precious to someone else." The people can realize why their king was so highly respected by all the people and by all other neighboring kingdoms. फ्रेंड्स, आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना न भूलें, और अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।